Hey, I want to show you guys something really quick. I just kind of snuck over to my kids' trailer and I just noticed they got this new toothbrush. And I was like, this is way cool. Not because it's an electric toothbrush. I mean, that's pretty cool in of itself. But no, check this out. You got this little stand right here that just kind of goes, that sits like that. But that's not the cool part. The cool part is right here. You see this? This is pretty cool. What it does is you slap that in there and close it. And now it's a toothbrush cleaner. How cool is that? I've never actually been able to clean my toothbrush other than just run it under water, rinse it, or anything like that. But this creates those UV lights that just penetrate those germs, bacteria, all that. So you know when you're sticking this in your mouth. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that to my kids. When you're sticking this in your mouth, you know that this is going to be clean every single time. Check how clean that is. My toothbrush never, ever looks like this. But I thought this was a really cool toothbrush with its own little UV cleaner. I've never actually seen one like this. I'm sure they exist and out there. I just never personally have seen one like this. And then also I said, well, what else do you get? They said, hey, look, you get 4 of these little heads. And I thought that was kind of cool too. So if this bristle does die, it's not going to die because of bacteria, but it's going to die because it's used too much. They have 3 other heads that go along with this toothbrush as well. And I was like, okay, how do you charge it? And that's the thing I'm thinking of right now. So you can just take this head off right here, pop it off, just like that. So that's how you do that. But how do you charge it? That's the question of the day. Okay, so how to charge it? You have to have this base, which is kind of cool because you're going to use this base anyways. And then it's USB-C on the back. So, hey, we learned something together. This is how you charge it. So it's a magnet like there, and it charges magnetically. How cool is that? So that's why it was sitting just like that right there. So I'm pretty sure that this toothbrush is unique because it cleans itself. And obviously you have 4 different modes right here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you have 3. Okay. So, and you have 3 modes right here. This being the high, medium, low. Right? And the low kind of like is a pulsating mode on the toothbrush right there. That is a really, really strong and active. And the other thing that I do like about this one is a lot of them was going to give you that timer. So if you're brushing on this side or up top, it's going to be like, okay, it's going to turn off and start itself. It's just going to stop and start to know, okay, it's time to move to the other side. So that's kind of cool. It has that timer technology built in with it. So other than that, it is an electric toothbrush that's really strong, really powerful, magnetic base that actually cleans itself. Now, can they get something that cleans itself for my son? Because my son needs to learn how to clean himself too. So that's the next invention. Can we get something like this that our kids can get in and then they come out clean? That's what we need to invent. So thank you very much for the toothbrush. But now let's work on my son.